welcome back to the new video in this channel. Today I will guide you how to deactivate Facebook account with Facebook Lite application. So for that you need to open the Facebook Lite application. Make sure you have logged in into your Facebook Lite account. Now tap on three-line icon at the upper right corner. You need to simply scroll down and now under settings and privacy simply tap on settings. Tap on personal and account information. In this page you need to tap on account ownership and control. Tap on deactivation and deletion option. Here simply you need to select deactivate account. After that tap on continue to account deactivation. You need to provide reason why you want to deactivate your Facebook account. After you provide the reason, scroll down and now tap on continue. You need to go through all this information here and you need to select when you want to reactivate your account. Tap on it and now you can select anyone you would like to. Now tap on continue button. If you want to keep using Messenger, you can simply select this small box, otherwise leave as it is. Now tap on deactivate my account. So account has been successfully deactivated. So this is how you can easily deactivate your Facebook account with Facebook Lite application. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like and subscribe if this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.